In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Copilot AI in Microsoft Edge. If you've tried hiding Copilot only to see it pop back up later, this walkthrough will show you how to actually disable it from Edge's settings so it stays off. We'll move through the settings menu together and switch off the right options so Copilot no longer appears on your toolbar or at the bottom of your browser window. Start by opening Microsoft Edge. Look to the top right corner of the window and click the three dots to open the menu. From there, select Settings. This takes you to Edge's main settings page, where we'll find the controls that affect Copilot's visibility. Next, go into the Appearance section. This is where Edge lets you customize how the browser looks and which buttons are shown. Inside Appearance, open the area labeled Copilot and Sidebar, then choose Copilot. This brings up a set of switches that control whether Copilot shows up in different parts of the interface. Now turn everything off. Specifically, switch off Show Copilot button on the toolbar. This removes the Copilot icon from the top of Edge, so it doesn't sit next to your address bar anymore. Then, switch off Show Copilot button on the bottom center of the Edge window. That disables the floating Copilot button that can appear over web pages, preventing it from reappearing as you browse. There's also an optional but recommended privacy setting while you're here. Look for Allow Copilot Vision to view your web page and turn it off. This stops Copilot from analyzing or previewing the content of the page you're on, which is helpful if you want to minimize background access and keep everything strictly disabled. A quick note on why these switches matter. Using Hide Copilot only closes it temporarily. It doesn't prevent Edge from showing the buttons again later. The settings you've just changed are what actually disable Copilot's interface elements so they remain off. If your settings page looks a bit different due to an Edge update, use the search box at the top of settings and type Copilot to jump straight to the same controls. When you're done, return to your browser window. You should no longer see the Copilot icon on the toolbar or the floating button at the bottom. If anything still lingers, a quick browser restart can help apply the changes. That's it. Copilot is now fully turned off and won't appear anymore in Edge. Thanks for watching.